Hi, I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsports. So today we got a 2018 Chevy Silverado. This video should cover pretty much between 2014 and 2020 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra trucks. This truck came factory with a 5.3 liter in it, and it came to our shop with some trauma, I should say. Had to rebuild the engine, ended up needing some parts for the block, had to throw it all away, so we started over and we talked the customer into doing an L8T block, the 6.6 liter in the heavy duty trucks. So this was an interesting build that we did here. We went ahead and built this complete engine, started with the iron block, put a 4-inch stroke crank in it. It's almost a 7 liter now, so it's a pretty big cubic inch engine. We built it up, put a stage 1 cam in it for a truck. It's got a little bit higher compression than the factory 6.6, so it's almost 11.5 to 1. We ran it in our engine dyno. This thing makes some great power, right? So this thing will run on 87 or 93. I'm gonna give you numbers on 93. The customer ultimately does want to run 87 octane though. And so we ran this thing in our dyno. Thing made 550 horsepower, pretty substantial. So it's almost like you're taking a 5.3 and putting a supercharger on this truck. Ran really, really good. So 550 horsepower, naturally aspirated. You could run it on 87, 93. And if you really wanted to get crazy, you could put some E85 in it and make even more power. So we ran this thing, we actually didn't run this thing stock because it came in broke, but these trucks production, a 5.3 this year, they're about 300 of the tires. We got a baseline from one that was here, it was 299. So you seen it on the dyno, we ran it. This thing actually made 450 horsepower to the wheel. So it's about a 20% driveline loss. You look over here, this thing is crazy how much more power it has. Again, it's really like putting almost like a supercharger on this truck. You're talking over 150 horsepower and almost, actually it is over 180 foot-pounds of torque. This thing has gotta be really, really fast compared to what this thing was factory. So remember this L8T block, we sell them here, we build them. We've done everything from 550 horsepower to 1700 horsepower, turbo, blower, really good foundation, billet caps. This is a great platform that you can either put in your truck or put in your Camaro, Corvette, whatever. So back to this truck again for just a second. So it is our stage 1 cam, CNC heads, and it is 7 liters. So really cool platform here. I think putting some E85 in this truck will be the real ticket. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot more stuff about this L8T, hopefully in the future. Thanks for watching our videos.